This Excel how-to video will demonstrate how to construct the Environ 2-post rack and then convert this into a 4-post frame using the Excel conversion kit. To begin with, construct the two Environ OR 2-post open racks. Remove the parts from the packaging and prepare to build the rack. Bolt together the two vertical frames at the top and bottom using the appropriate plates and fixings provided. Then flip the rack over. As before, bolt together the top and bottom plates to the two vertical frame posts. Using a spanner, tighten all the bolts to ensure that the structure is secure. Now, let's take a look at how to convert the Environ 2-post rack into a 4-post frame. To begin with, bring the two 2-post racks together and lay the Excel conversion kit components nearby. Start by building your 6 brackets by sliding each set of brackets to the desired length and securing with the bolts provided. Using the bolts provided, secure the brackets to the top, bottom and middle of the vertical frames and tighten with a screwdriver. Using your screwdriver, tighten the central bolts on each set of brackets to secure the fitting.